How to find the North Star. First, we need to find the Big Dipper. The Big Dipper is a group of 7 bright stars that looks like a big spoon or a pot with a handle. Now, look at the 2 stars on the outer edge of the Big Dipper's pot part, opposite the handle. These stars are called the pointer stars because they point directly at the North Star. Imagine a straight line connecting these pointer stars. Extend this line upwards about 5 times, and you'll find a bright star. That's the North Star, Polaris. The North Star is also at the end of another group of stars, called the Little Dipper. The Little Dipper looks like a smaller spoon, and the North Star is at the tip of its handle. Once you find the North Star, you'll know you are facing north. It's like a secret code in the sky to help you know your direction. Happy stargazing!